Okay, so today we're going to unpack an airplane by Volantex RC. It is ASW28. Oh, my receiver fell off. So I'll just take these little props off. Okay, bye-bye. And today we're gonna deal with this. And this is by Volantex RC. So some cooperation with Volantex RC is Racer, Stemmerfront, X-Mister, and Sir Pulse. And it have a whole plastic body. And this plane is based on a real one. So I just mean it is based on a real plane. Okay, let me see what it said. It's a durable plastic unibody and great scales and large wingspan. Okay, so let's start. You can see here there are many different pictures. And let's start. Unpack this airplane.